Have a good day.
Good day, LA Beast here. It's around 11 a.m. Sunday, January 19th, 2020. It's just been brought to my attention that there's actually a bird up in the attic, and my job here today is to somehow open up the windows and let that bird get back to its family safely. I'm going to utilize my beekeeper's outfit. I have my gloves on and a Miller Lite, because that's how you do housework with beer. So let me get ready and let's do this. Here, bird. Holy fuck. Motherfucker, that's a bird. Is that a bat? That's a bird. Alright, dude. I'm cool, man. I'm fucking cool, dude. I got you. Holy shit. How do we do this? Does anybody have any advice? Alright, this is not going well. That's a bird. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Ah! Okay. Alright. Calm down. Jesus. What do I do? What do I do? Alright. I'm going to leave this guy with some bird seed and get this other window back here open. You're cool, dude. Chill out. You're good. I just opened the fucking window. Okay. We got the window open. I had to seal the windows because we had a fly problem. Now that the bird isn't freaking out anymore, so I'm just going to sit here and wait patiently. Hopefully, it gets out the window. Oh, dude. Come on. Alright, come on, dude. Your freedom, dude. Come on. Alexa, play bird sounds.
Do you want to give sleep sounds, bird sounds a try?
Yes.
Okay, here's sleep sounds, bird sounds.
Come on, bird. Okay. I don't know what happened to the bird. Okay, it's day 2 of the bird up in the attic. What I've come up with is I got the window open. I'm going to put our Ring doorbell right at the window. When the bird finally, hopefully freaking flies out the window, I'll be notified. Then you know what? Do I need a bee's keeper outfit today? No, because I am done with this bird, and I'm not afraid. So here we go. Oh boy, here we go. Fuck. Seriously? Hey, bird. If you let me get up there, dude, I can close the window for you. All right, this guy literally flew at me when I tried to open the other. Dude, go to the other side. Hey. All right, we got the broom. Okay. Okay, now we wait. Lucky.
Ah! Oh no. fucking close. All right. Woo!